Hello there. So here we have one of the odd one out question, right? So as we know that odd one out questions are theta based question, and the direction for question is what? There are five statements. So the five statements might be taken from any of the passages, right? Out of which you will find out four when placed appropriate order. It means we need to make a proper order of the four statements so that it will create one of the particular theme or the author's idea, right? And the other statement would be definitely means separate from that theme or separate from that idea. So, and once we make those four statements coherently organized, that would form a contextually complete paragraph, right? And the other statement, which is not the part of the state part of the complete paragraph, will be considered as the odd one, and which we will pick as the statement of our answer, right? And we will mark the number corresponding with it in the box provided below the question, isn't it? So here is the box where we need to type the odd one, right? So please do remember it doesn't carry any negative marking, right? So you must attain that. Now, let's look at the question. The five statements which have been provided here. The first statement stated that a watch, in my opinion, is a necessity and well made tools that are worthy investments. So, looking at the first statement, we can find out it is the author's opinion, and the author's opinion is based on the what? That a watch is a necessity and well-made tools. Necessity means it is an essential items, or it is an essential item, and it is a well-made tools, right? In which, if you invest, so your means your investment has the means a value, or you can say that means your investment is nothing but the useful one. So this one can be called as a author's opinion, right? Now look at the second statement. The second statement stated technology has taken over nearly every walk of life. Now when we look at the second statement where it is stated technology has taken over nearly every walk of life, now this one is a kind of a generic statement. Why do we say that? Because it is stated that means how technology makes an impact or influence to each and everyone's life, isn't it? Now in that case, means this can be called a generic statement, whereas the first statement and the second statement has the kind of a difference. uh, First statement stated about watch, how watch is essential and well-made tools, whereas second statement stated about how technology influence or impacts on each and everyone's life, right? Now, look at the third statement. The third statement stated, amidst that. Now, when we talk about amidst that, now you need to observe that the word that, so that is replacing to whom or what, right? So, amidst that means in the middle of that, a mechanical watch. Now, please do understand that a mechanical watch, which is indicating as a uh, specific information, right? Like in the statement one, we find out a generic statement or the author's opinion, where the author stated that a watch is an essential or important tool, right, in which people invest their money and it is useful. Whereas statement three stated that in the middle of that, a mechanical watch shall always be loved and cherished. Why? Because there is still place for old world horology and watch mechanics that have become an intrinsic part of our day-to-day life. So this one is clearly indicating that means statement three stated about how mechanical work means holds the importance and reputation and the appreciation, and people love that mechanical watch. Why? Because of its um, old world horology. So when we talk about horology, the word horology indicates about nothing but means the kind of a design, arts, and science, science of that. You can say that uh, um, arts and science of that designing and uh, you can say that measurement, right? And watch mechanics that have become an intrinsic part of our day-to-day life. So watch mechanic means referring to the people who design those mechanical watch. So the kind of a craftsmanship they do have is nothing but a important part of means humans' day-to-day life, isn't it? So therefore, we can consider that statement three is indicating about uh, the positive aspect of a mechanical watch um, that holds that holds people still today, isn't it? Um, now, in that case, look at the we understood that the first one is indicating as an opinion, second one is indicating as a general statement, third one is a specific statement. Now, look at the fourth one. What's adherent or connoisseurs? So when we talk about what's adherent, so people who love to wear watch, or people who have an expertise in the particular product called watch, or such items, they have a strong liking for such kind of items, because of what effortlessly and innovatively that mixes nothing but tells the story, right? Tells the story with nothing but the giving information about time, isn't it? So in that case, if you observe, statement 3 and statement 4 both are connected to each other. Both are stating about that how mechanical watch means keeps the reputation still today, and people like it because strongly like it because of what? Because of its blends with storytelling, and you can say that time giving time information, isn't it? So now look at the fifth one. The fifth one said the smartwatch is for those looking for modern technology, but it is definitely not a replacement for a traditional mechanical watch. Now, if you observe that statement five, which is giving information about the smartwatch and mechanical watch. So, smartwatch means of today, right, that have the modern technology, and mechanical watch of traditional mechanical watch of the past. So in that case, you can consider statement 5 carries nothing but the argument. The argument of what? The argument of which one is better, the smartwatch or a traditional mechanical watch. So in that case, we can consider the topic that is introduced in statement 5, right? And as it is introducing with the smartwatch having the modern technology, so we can find out that means two would be the next one, where it is stated how technology has taken over nearly every walk of life, right? So, but at the same time, three is nothing but indicating that amid is that in the middle of that technology, how mechanical watch is nothing but holding the people because of its because of its means because of its reputation, because people appreciate and love, right? um, Love to it, as it holds nothing but the past past design and past craftsmanship, isn't it? And that holds the importance part of means a human being's life. So therefore, statement 5, 2, 3, these are nothing but, you can say, 5, 2, 3. So they connected to one another. And 4 would be the next sequence, because 4 is also stated that watch adherents or connoisseurs have a strong liking for anything that effortlessly and innovatively mixes narrative with the horology. So as far as we already make the pair of 3 and 4, right? So, and as we make 3 and 4 as the pair, so 3 where it is stated amidst that a mechanical watch is indicating that in the middle of the technology that makes importance or influence in humans' life, so mechanical watch is still holding nothing but that reputation, right? Because of its um, craftsmanship, isn't it? So therefore, 5, 2, 3, 4 would be the proper sequence here, or proper order. So which are arguing on the topic called as means how mechanical watch still holds that reputation, right? Even if the smartwatch that have the technology, right? So therefore, one would be the or one out, because one stated about uh, a kind of an opinion of the writer or author, who stated that how watch is an essential tool. That's all. nothing else. It's again called as doesn't talk about whether mechanical watch or means doesn't talk about smartwatch. It only stated about a watch, which is essential too. Therefore, statement one would be odd one, and the sequence should be 5, 2, 3, 4. Hope you understood this. That's all. Thank you.